So for those who don't know, this is a good example of why we cut a core trench. Even in an area where we have a ton of clay, we still have organics like this. If you stand back, you can look, this whole upper layer, even though the topsoil was pushed off, this is all still good clay. It's usable. Problem is, we don't want these organics in our dam, so we cut this core trench down below that layer of organics, and then we can pack this full of good clay and seal that off. So no matter what of this we miss, inside or outside, there's a layer that's 14 feet wide that'll seal off.